Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to remove background on GIMP. So let's get started. So we have our photo here already opened in GIMP, and from here the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go into layer, and then from here you want to make sure that you want to go click on new layer and fill with transparency, click on OK, and then after this is that you simply want to go into image and then click on merge visible layers, and from here just click on merge. And the next thing is that you would want to go into the bucket fill right here and make sure that the mode is set into erase. And the opacity is 100. And then you want to select BG color fill and then fill with similar colors. And then after that is you would now want to click on your background. So just like this one. And as you can see, it is now gone. So we can now use this image right here. We can just save this just like so. We can click on save as right here and save it into our storage, or we can just simply click on edit and then copy. And then we can go to our other work right here on GIMP. For example, here I want to paste this right here. We can just simply click here on edit and then paste as, because we have already copied it. And you can go for new layer, and there it is. It is now pasted. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can remove background in GIMP. Thank you for watching.